Hi guys, welcome back. Happy Halloween. So in today's video, I want to show you how I do pumpkins, ghosts, and candy corns. Let's get to it. So I have a tip on one of my little fingers that I got from Red Iguana, and I am using Kiara Sky's Black Swan. This polish is beautiful. It changes color. So it's like an ombre, and how it works is I think it's like hot and cold. I mean, you could call it a mood polish, but whatever. But look how gorgeous this goes on. It is so beautiful. Like it looks like blood. Perfect for Halloween. And look how that cured. So you can see where like some heat hit that nail, and it's just gorgeous. It's perfect, like I said, for fall, Halloween, year round, whatever you want. So what I'm doing now is I'm applying Kiara Sky matte, velvet matte, and now you can see how that looks. So I was really happy with the way that turned out, and now I'm going to do my little ghost. So what I do is I just take white acrylic, and this is Kiara Sky Pure White, and I just blob it on the nail, and I let gravity help me. It kind of like rolls down, and then I just sort of, shape Mr. Ghost and, see what happens. Sometimes it doesn't turn out so great, and then I just start over. But this little guy turned out pretty cool. Kind of like a Casper feel, I guess. I don't know. So again, what I do is I just kind of mold him, kind of like play around as the acrylic is drying. It's just easy to shape it. And, you just fix them up to your desired shape or whatever, and now you have a ghost. So what I do is I take my dotting tool, and then I use that to add eyes. And I did this last year, and I looked around to see if anybody else did it. I'm not saying that I'm the creator of this or, this is my method, but I came up with this and I thought, wow, like this really looks cool. So again, I'm not saying that I have the rights to this creativity of making a ghost with acrylic, but I just think it looks so freaking cute. And I just love how the acrylic works with you. And then what I did after that is I added some black polish. I think it's Black Tie by Kiara Sky. And I just filled in his eyes and his mouth. And then I shaded and I speeded this up because, it's a process, as we all know. I shaded him in with a little bit of gray. I just mixed some white and black gel polish together and made some gray. And there you go. There's Mr. Ghost. Isn't he cute? And you can add to him. You can put eyes. You can do whatever. So for this one, I used Kiara Sky Black. I think it's Black Tie. I don't know. Guys, forgive me. I'm so out of focus, but I am getting an iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I cannot wait to film with that. So here I'm doing a pumpkin. And this is so easy. You just put a little blob of acrylic and kind of let it set a little bit and shape it just like you did the ghost. And then I put a divot in the top and kind of like at the bottom to make it look like a pumpkin. And then I take my cuticle pusher and then I just make little, now I have seen this done before. So it's a terrific idea. You can even use a nail tip just to make those little curved lines like a pumpkin would have. So yeah, I think it looks adorable. And you can do anything you want with it. Like you can add glitter, whatever. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding some more acrylic. And by the way, I am using Not Polish acrylics. This is Green Envy for the stem, Slightly Brightly for the pumpkin. And that glitter is High Maintenance from the OMG collection from Not Polish. So I wanted to make like a cute little hay bale, like a little glittery hay bale, and then I added a moon, as you could see. So I did speed this one up because this is the candy corn. I'm using the white from Kiara Sky. I'm using the Slightly Brightly from, Not Polish, and then I also am using Tuscan Sun for the yellow. Look how gorgeous this is. It looks just like a candy corn. And obviously, if you use a stiletto or an almond, that's really going to make it, that's really going to make it come alive versus like a square nail. So here we go, guys. Here's my ghost. I added some red. Here's the pumpkin. And here is my candy corn. Have a great Halloween, guys. See you soon.